Right guys, so today we're doing a spark plug change on a VW POLO 1 litre 2018 TSI. So there's 3 spark plugs in this. One's there, you can see it. There's another one there, and there's one underneath this. So first of all, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to get this engine cover up and get this up, and we'll be able to reveal the spark plugs underneath, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. So one screw there, and then unclip these couple of screws around the side, but I'll show you guys the progress as we go along. Right guys, so first things first, about there, let's get this clip off. This one clips like that, and this one comes up. Just leave the clip on there. Like that. There was one screw in there, I don't know if you could see it, but the rest of this should just, there you go, like that. Then just disconnect this hose here, the rest of it, there you go. That's out. Put that to the side. There's the third spark plug. 1, 2, 3. So next things next is gonna take this off. Should just be one clip there and then one there. One there and one there. There you go. And all you can do is just pop that to the side. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to unscrew this, and unscrew this, and then these just pull out, and then I'll show you guys when I've unscrewed them how to take the spark plugs out from inside. But yeah, it's as easy as a 10mm on a socket. Grab that. Also make sure you do not want to get anything in there at all. Normally I'd cover it with the microfiber, but don't have one here at the moment. Just put these to the side. These are the coil packs. Then all you should do is watch the wires there, fiddly. Out comes that. 1, 2, and 3. These are your coil packs. You want to make sure there's no liquid on these at all. So these seem all good. And then if I show you guys inside, there are your spark plugs inside there. All I do is just grab a 16mm long socket. Anyone will do. Just check on the spark plugs. Give it a second, that goes in fine. You're going to be careful, you do not want to touch the spark plug from the end there, otherwise you'll end up blowing it. So just put that away. Then all you want to do is put your 16mm at the end there. Start off with this one, just to make life a bit easier. Get another extension, put that on there, put that on there, and then press down, and it should just loosen. Because it's an actual spark plug socket, what you're going to need is a magnetic tool to just pick it out with. I have one here, just the right size, so it'll go in. Then all you want to do is get your magnetic tool, put that in there. Out come the old spark plugs. See, let me just show you the difference on the old spark plugs compared to the new ones. There you go, that's the old one, that's the new one. So I'll just repeat the same process for all three, and then literally you put it back together. Make sure you put your coil packs in the right ones, and then literally just do everything backwards. Put your new spark plugs in, put everything back together, and there you go.